This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. What are the few areas which you as a president will be working to get the recognition for our CS professions for the opportunities of members?
See, one of the most important thing which I find is our company secretary should spread their wings. Predominantly, everybody or most of them practice in company law. Yes. Predominantly, yes. But so many recognitions have been given by so many ministries, and various other ministries are also being tapped in order to ensure that we get recognition. To give a small example, day before yesterday I was watching an interview of the Minister of Law, and he was talking about that there should be a compliance officer in with regards to tweets which are being sent on Twitter. So yes, so immediately an opportunity for us. Yes, as we being a governance professional, that a role, responsibility to act, that why don't we become a governance professional, a chief compliance officer for those particular work. So we can, so like that there are plenty of opportunities, plenty of, I feel that the plate is full and it is also overflowing. It is only up to our members to grab those particular opportunities. Not only the present context, as you rightly say, in TRI it is there, in Haryana VAT is there, labor laws are also there in one yes. or two couple of states, internal internal audit, so far as the internal audit is also there, so far as the SEBI has mandated, so far as RTAs are concerned. So you will find that the company secretaries are having the role. In fact, under the Companies Act 2013 also, you will find the internal auditor, company secretary can also play an important yes. role.
Section 130.
Yes. So you will find, I am not sure that how many of us are taking those particular opportunity for the purpose of serving our company, clients or corporates to act as an internal auditor.
So the message is very clear. It is not about the opportunities, but we are not ready and equipped with the skill set, and that is our job now to spread our wings and get the knowledge. That
yes,
is very clear.
I feel that every president, not only now but also in future, will always go for more and more recognition for its members, yes. for its future professionals. But what I also want to say is that let us grab this opportunity as to what and all recognitions we are already having, because we are more focusing on only company law. So let us also spread our wing to ensure that other recognitions which are in place, we also take the maximum benefit out of those particular licenses. In fact, I had an occasion, the moment you talked about TRI, I recall that couple of years back, one of the multinational company had approached me to get a license from the telecom department yes. For their network which they were going to set up in Bangalore. Of course, I was not a council member then. I was just nor a president. I was just a regional council member at that particular point of time. And when I made an application, the person who was scrutinizing, he was surprised and shocked as to what is this company secretary, who is this company secretary, and he also asked many questions to me when I preferred the application along with various documents to him. So I feel that our company secretary should come out openly and practice in those other areas, so that world at large as well as everybody will know about our professional, that they also practice in other areas. So in other words, what I would like to say is, like an advertisement of Tata Steel, I will also like to say that we also practice company law. So it is not only we do many practice all other laws, we are also practicing in company law. So if we do that, I am sure our institute and our members will grow leap and bound.